Our product 8-feet veneer production line includes 8-feet log debarker, 8-feet wood peeling machine, log conveyor, and 8-feet vacuum veneer stacker. The function of veneer peeling line for processing wood and produce wood veneer. As you know, wood veneer is material for making plywood, wooden furniture, and others. So its quality are very important. This requires the veneer machine are good quality and strong enough. This 8-feet veneer production line can process max log length 2,600 mm and max log diameter 600 mm, and thickness can be 0.5 to 3 mm. With advanced and mature production technology and experienced workers and professional technicians. So, our veneer machine structure and capitals are good. And we use good and thick materials, super machine accessories, good electric box, and upgraded electric parts. So our log peeling machine are strong enough to peel kinds of hardwood like beech, birch, and others, and can help you produce very accurate wood veneer with smooth surface, which will help you create more value.